Chicken Factory Restaurant. Korean fried chicken. Just found some parking. We're going to Yogur Story now. Get some of them Ube Pancakes. And I don't know, something else. We've been sharing plates. So we can try everything. Yeah. Okay, peace.
Other bar. And there's like 3 parking right there.
Here's the parking. Nada.
And then the Ube Pancakes, right?
Sounds good to me. Yeah, we'll share those. Just 2, right? Okay. What?
Yeah. Do you want to add another side?
Depends what it is.
Portuguese?
Yeah.
Right?
Alright, let me go to the sides first. But well, let me. They got ice cream too.
Korean fried
salad?
chicken.
Nope.
The waffles?
Korean fried chicken and waffles.
Yeah, those are
That's
good.
sweet and savory.
Pizzas.
Oh no, we're doing
Nope.
pork belly. And then the side of
Oh, they got a gourmet burger though. That's basic though.
yeah. Just do that.
They got the escargot.
We can have both.
Escargot.
Escargot.
Yeah,
No, do the
escargot.
Oh, you don't like the kimchi fried rice.
What the hell? This thing tripping. Steak and a seafood.
We got
Steak
pasta.
and seafood combo for 60 boodles.
Huh?
Tripping.
What is it?
In the steak and seafood section.
They do?
Combo for 60.
60 boodles is a
Where's
great.
that?
It's in the back.
In the bottom right, the back. And they got the basic espresso bar.
Yeah. I was like, what the hell are they talking about? They got the secret menu?
Yeah, we got the secret menu because this was missing right here on this one.
Well, we got the secret menu then.
So we got, yep, we did. Yep. The vloggers get it. They knew what was up. Say hi.
That's gonna give me back.
Say hi. All right. So I think we made up our minds. We want a
Getting the
60
Korean
boodle.
town fried, the K-Town chicken.
No, hell no, I'm not buying that. We are getting the Ube Pancakes and the pork belly pointer
Ube Pancakes.
with a side of Portuguese sausage.
Would you say, please say that louder?
They should have
That would be dope.
Yeah, they should have one.
Magnut latte. Tastes like Magnut, but then you got the white chocolate Magnut
You can
latte.
taste more than white
They taste the
Yeah,
same.
you can taste more of the coffee.
Yeah.
No, they taste the same. And the green tea latte, sorry, it looks hella
Well,
messy.
it's probably because like they split.
But this
the
one's
thing.
bomb. The matcha latte is bomb.
You have to split the syrup so it's not too sweet.
And we got the pork belly. It's got the kimchi fried rice, pork belly. We added Portuguese sausage, eggs over easy, and I don't know why, but the pork rind on top. Random pork rind. It looked like I brought my own. Yes. Yes. Oh. That's food porn right there. Gotta keep it PG though, so I'm gonna go straight for the pork belly though. First.
Smart move.
Gotta get the fat
Smart move.
and the meat right there.
Adobo?
Pork adobo. Damn, that's banging.
Is it tender?
It's tender.
How's the fat?
Fat, it's like soft and juicy.
Does it melt?
Definitely, it's like butter. It's like adobo butter.
Adobo butter.
Alright, I'm gonna go for the rice.
The kimchi fried rice with
Kimchi
an
fried
egg.
rice. You can see right away, straight away, there's a kimchi hanging right there. It's not mushy, like some kimchi fried rice. It's cooked perfectly well. All balanced. You can really taste the kimchi in the Portuguese sausage.
Kimchi.
Basic. Got a good chew to it. Has a good snap to it. I like it.
Is it one of the best you've had so far on this trip? How would you rank
Actually,
it?
yes. The dish as a whole would be definitely a 9 out of 10.
9 out of
It's really
10.
up there because like the pork really has a lot of the elbow flavor. It's got that sourness, the saltiness from the soy sauce, and the texture is really good. So I think it's dope.
On to the ube.
Ube Pancakes now. It's Okinawan sweet potato pancakes with ube syrup cut into it.
Oh, that's food porn right there.
Oh, look at that. I'm gonna take a fat bite of it. Oh, I don't know if that's that fat, but whatever. Dipping it in that ube syrup.
How's the sauce?
Not overly sweet. That's what I thought it would be. You can actually taste the ube in it. The pancakes are nice and fluffy still. They've been sitting for a couple minutes. Yeah, I could taste the coconut in the back though. So ube up front, and then after you're done chewing,
Once you
definitely
get
taste
into the
coconut.
pancake.
Yeah, once you get through that ube, then you taste the coconut. So it's not overpowered by the coconut. It's actually complementing it really well. This is, for me, this is what I come here for. It's a 10 out of 10. All the time.
Makes me say ube.
Yeah. Ooh, baby. Bomb. Come here, just for get that fat.
It's like the jellofish.
Fat.
I have two, ready? 1, 2.
Careful, the plate's super hot and sizzling. The chicken is so flavored, so much flavor. With the waffles, it's just like a regular waffle, a regular Belgian waffle. So it definitely needs some maple syrup. You need to pour that on there. It's really good. It's crunchy. It has a lot of like textures in the mouth because the chicken is cooked well, and the waffle is just amazing too.
Bomb. Chicken and waffles.
Chicken from the chicken and waffles.
It's hella crunchy.
Is it still crunchy?
It's still crunchy.
Damn.
That's been sitting there for like 10 minutes.
At least.
I wish you could hear the crunch in my mouth, but the mic's not good enough for that. I'd have to swallow the mic. Bomb. It has like no saltiness, balanced with the sweetness of the maple syrup. Yeah, perfectly done. Must pair well with the
Belgian waffle?
Yeah. I'm not gonna have it though because I want to have room for this pancake. Put some other.